So it seems like a lot of people are having trouble with liquid eyeliner. A lot of people ask me how I do mine. Let me show you how I do what I do. So biggest tip, use a pencil, not pencil, but a pen liner. I think L'Oreal makes a pretty decent one too, but I like to have one that has a really nice brush because the brush gives you the best sharp wing. The felt tip comes out a little fuzzy and sometimes it bleeds. All right, my second tip is to either brace your arm by putting it on whatever you're working on, whether it's like a table or, you know, a vanity, or you can just pull your arm into your side to kind of steady your arm, because if your hand's a little shaky, then you're gonna mess up and it's not gonna be a very smooth line. Okay, last tip is gonna be to look down into a mirror. I'm just using the mirror on my blush and I'm gonna look down into it. When you look down, you close your lid a little bit more and you're able to see more. Looking down is gonna give you a better angle to come from. If that makes sense. It'll give you a better angle when you're going in to apply versus looking straight on. And a lot of people tend to try to close their eyes when they apply eyeliner, and it never looks the same when you open it. That goes for pulling your eyelids too, because once you release the skin, it's not gonna look the same. So I'm gonna apply with my eyes open. I'm gonna look down into my mirror. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see this as well as I think you're gonna see it, but I hope this helps. So I'm holding at the tip of the end of the pen so I can have all of this space to see. I'm tucking in my arm and then I'm looking down. You never want to close your eye though. So I'm going to start close to the inside and see, I'm just touching. I'm almost stamping it. I'm not drawing on like this with the tip going straight on. The tip barely touches my eye, but I'm just going to use some of that base and slide it sideways, like laying it right here and pulling. So I'm using the straightness of the brush to my advantage because now I don't have to depend on myself drawing a straight line. And you can go in, if you see that there's a little bit of space between the lashes and the liner, you can go in and get a little bit lower. I'm gonna still use my brush when I'm using it. I'm gonna lay it and drag, but I'm gonna go from the lower lash line and then pull up. Now I don't have to necessarily touch it, but I'm gonna kind of imagine that I'm continuing the line where it curves like this and then go up, but straight. I'm just not gonna curve it. I'm just gonna go straight. So I'm starting about right here and then I'm pulling it up like this. I'm gonna start at this tip and then I'm gonna connect it to the rest of my liner. And you can go back and clean it up. So hopefully those tips will help you next time you're either shopping for eyeliner or you're really frustrated trying to get a really straight, thin line. If y'all have any other questions, let me know. Bye.